A museum in Colorado Springs is trying to repair more than $50,000 worth of rain damage after heavy rainstorms hit the Pikes Peak region last month.
Yeah, Fox 21's Carolyn Belling spoke to a roofing company about how you can help prevent this from happening to you.
Austin, Rachel, the old Colorado City Historical Society and History Center is not the only ones facing this problem. I spoke to a roofing company who says their phones have been ringing off the hook. The owner tells us it's the most time he's spent in the office setting up appointments in more than 50 years.
We have to preserve it.
Rain, rain, go away is what one local museum is asking for after the month of August saw more than 3.5 inches of rain.
We had 4 days of heavy rain, which, because of our drainage problem here, worked its way into the basement.
Cracked walls and ceilings, stained floors, and ruined artifacts, all the result of recent flooding.
It's our history. It's where we came from.
While it can be fun to throw on your favorite pair of rain boots, no one wants to wear them inside.
And then because of the water damage in the past and currently, the wall is unstable.
The end of August and early September is a transitional time when summer begins to turn into fall, and that means rain, something Calvin Turner Roofing knows a thing or two about.
People don't realize they have roof problems till you get 1.5 inches to 2 inches of rain over a period of 24 hours, and that's when they realize they have leaking roof problems.
In August and June, Colorado Springs saw an above average amount of rainfall totaling in over 6.3 inches for both months.
If you let them leak too long, then you get other issues like mold and abating, where you got more sheetrock to pull down and carpets, and so the faster you move on it, the better off you are.
The museum is not alone this time of year. Buckets also lined the inside of Chapel Hills and Citadel Mall recently. Monument Town Hall also closing temporarily to deal with water damage.
We're about a week out. Well, we're maybe 2 weeks out on commercial. And
roofers tell us when it comes to leaks, timing is everything.
And that's not an easy thing because most roofing companies are overwhelmed.
Turner recommends putting buckets under the leak, adding tarps or trash bags on the ceilings, and to clean gutters each season to prevent debris from building up. Meanwhile, the museum is asking the community for help to keep its history alive by donating. You can find the link to do so on fox21news.com. Rachel and Austin.